almost everything I've talked about in this series: your deductions, your quarterly taxes, your LLC, knowing which cars to buy. Every single one of them depends on one thing: knowing your numbers. And the only way to know your numbers is a bookkeeping system. I know, bookkeeping sounds boring, but this is the engine under your entire Turo business. And today I'm going to show you how to set it up so it's simple, painless, and saves you when tax time comes. Let me start with why this matters so much. Because if you don't believe it, you won't do it. When you don't track your numbers, you're flying blind. You don't actually know if a car is making money or losing it. You can't claim deductions you can't prove. You can't estimate your taxes, so you either overpay or get penalized. And when tax season hits, you're digging through a shoebox of receipts and a year of bank statements, stressed out and leaving money on the table. Good bookkeeping is what turns all of that chaos into clarity. So, here's the foundation. Step 1. Separate your money. This is the simplest, highest impact move you can make. Open a dedicated bank account just for your Turo business. All your Turo income goes into that account. All your Turo expenses come out of it. Get a debit or credit card tied to that account and use it for everything business related. The moment you stop mixing personal and business spending, your bookkeeping becomes 10 times easier, because your business account basically becomes a record of your business by itself. Step 2. Track income and expenses by car. This is the part most hosts skip, and it's the part that makes you real money. Don't just track your business as one big lump. Track each vehicle separately. What did this specific car earn this month, and what did it cost? Because that's the only way you find out which cars are your winners and which ones are quietly draining you. Remember in the car buying episode when I said let your fleet tell you what to buy next? This is how. Per car numbers turn your business into a map instead of a guess. Step 3. Capture every receipt the moment you get it. This is where deductions live or die. A deduction you can't document is a deduction you don't get. You've heard me say it all series, because it's the rule that matters most. So, build the habit. Every gas fill-up, every car wash, every repair, every supply run, capture that receipt right then. Snap a photo, log it. Done. The host who captures in the moment keeps every dollar. The host who says, "I'll sort it later," loses deductions and money. Later never comes. Step 4. Review your numbers every single month. Don't wait for tax season. Once a month, sit down for 15 minutes and look at where you stand. What did you bring in? What did you spend? What's your profit? How's each car doing? This little monthly habit is the difference between running your business and your business running you. It keeps your quarterly tax estimates accurate. It catches problems early. And it means tax time is just a printout, not a panic. Now, you can absolutely start this with a simple spreadsheet. And if that's where you are today, do it. A basic spreadsheet beats nothing every time. But here's the honest truth. As you add cars, manual tracking becomes a second job. The receipts pile up, the per-car math gets messy, and the spreadsheet starts to crack. That's the exact problem I built FK Command Center to solve. Income, expenses, receipts, mileage, profit per car, all in one place, organized automatically, ready the instant you need it for taxes, for a loan, for an insurance claim, or for your next buying decision. It takes the system I just described and runs it for you. So here's your move. Open that separate business account this week. Run everything through it. Track each car on its own. Capture every receipt in the moment. And give yourself 15 minutes a month to actually look at your numbers. Do those things, and you'll never fear tax season again. And more importantly, you'll finally know, with certainty, exactly how your business is doing. Because that's the whole game. The hosts who build real wealth aren't the ones who earn the most. They're the ones who know their numbers cold and make every decision from there. If this series has helped you, hit subscribe. It's all about building real wealth with Turo, the smart tax smart way. The link to FK Command Center is in the description if you want this entire system handled for you.